It's recording. Okay, so I'm teaching you front roll. So from here, if the right foot's forward, the right hand goes palm down, fingers pointing back towards the foot. Left hand goes out a little farther. I'm going to tuck my chin to my left shoulder if I'm rolling on my right. All right, so hand. I'm going to lower my knee forward to the mat, touch my elbow and my shoulder. Push off with my front foot. Push. And over. Right. So going back, same hand, same foot, other hand out. This is the funny part. It's like you're listening to the ground. All right, and you may require a little flexibility in here, but the closer you get your shoulder to the ground, the safer. Push off, and then you tuck that back foot in. All right, so one more time. Hand, chin, knee, elbow, shoulder, push, and up. We'll talk you through it, and then step by step. Once you see me pretty safe with this, then I'll have you go like that. There are 3 of those punching bags. I want you all to try it at one point with that punching bag to get the feeling of what it's like to use as a teaching aid with your partners. All right?
That's
Okay.